What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. I look tired because I am. I was up until I think midnight finishing cupcakes. I had 5 dozen orders, but I ended up making 7 dozen because I had just extra batter and I didn't even finish all my batter and I just didn't care. So I literally threw it away, which is such a waste of money, but whatever. We're on our way to McDonough. We're gonna go see our parents. We haven't seen our families literally since Christmas, and it's the first weekend in February. So we're gonna go see we've seen our dads. Weird. We've seen our dads, we haven't seen our moms. So that's who we're gonna go see during the day a little bit. And we are dropping off these cupcakes this afternoon. Yeah, so if you can see, there's 2 dozen right there, a mess in the car. And then there's 3 dozen behind Zach, or I guess that's behind me, and then there's 3 more dozen right there. So literally so many cupcakes. We've got a sleepy baby. I kept him awake while Zach was at work this morning because normally he goes on for his nap, but we knew he was gonna be in the car, and so we were hoping he would nap in the car rather than like be awake and screaming the whole time. So I kept him awake, and I don't know if that was a good idea or a bad idea because this child is beyond exhausted. So hopefully he's not a terror all day. But anyways, I'm excited for the day. We're going to see our families. That'll be fun. Dropping off some cupcakes. As always, HH Cakes. I link it down in the description box in every video. But if you are local to where I live, Milledgeville or McDonough, I do have a standard McDonough delivery fee. And Milledgeville obviously is local. But yeah, I'm available for cakes, custom cakes, cupcakes. You name it, I can do it, except for cookies. I'm not skilled in cookies. I don't claim to be. I don't even offer cookies. It was my goal last year to learn how to do them, and I never did. So maybe by end of 2020, I'll actually know how to decorate cookies. But that's just not my thing. It's not really what I enjoy. I love custom cakes. So yeah, all that to say, if you are local and need cakes, let me know. If you know anyone that lives locally, refer them to me. I love doing it. It's so much fun. And that's kind of one of the things I include. I have several different videos of baking things that I've done. And so I filmed a little bit last night of me preparing the cupcakes. So I thought I would go ahead and just include that footage right here. Sebastian was my helper for part of it, and it was pretty cute. So here you go. This was a really long intro, but I thought I would just bring you guys along for our pretty simple day, but you know, for a big cupcake drop-off delivery. So yeah, I will see you guys in a little bit. So I'm not showing your boobs, but I love that you covered them. You all see this?
This burns so bad. So bad.
He put a face mask on. How long are you supposed to leave it on?
Until it dries. You gotta peel it off.
That'll be funny to watch.
Get out of here with that.
So clearly never ended or finished a vlog yesterday. Yesterday's vlog was too short. We didn't really film that much. So I thought I would just continue it into today. And I was planning on just filming later. But then when Zach walked in here with his face mask on, I couldn't help myself. I had to film that. So
This hurts.
he's never done one, and he exfoliated in the shower before he put a face mask on. So his skin is like burning bad because this is so funny. But yeah, today is Sunday. We are going to church. I need to go get ready. And yeah, then we're watching Toy Story 4 this afternoon, and that sounds so lame, but I'm so excited because it's on Disney Plus now. And then we have life group tonight, and then starts another day of work, week of work. So bring you guys along. So Sebastian just woke up from his nap before church. He keeps looking at Zach because he's very confused about what's on his face because Zach's face is so shiny. You look plastic in the video. What's wrong with Daddy's face? You see Daddy's face? Is it dry yet? Alright, so he's peeling it off. We'll see how it goes since I think it's stuck in your beard. Does it hurt?
Really?
I didn't know if it would hurt getting from the part that was stuck in your beard. Well, you're supposed to start at like your forehead, I'm pretty sure, and like peel down.
Alright, that hurts.
Well, start at your forehead, peel off the easy parts. You may just have to wash off the other parts.
I don't even know where to start peeling it.
Sebastian is laughing too. Is it funny? Oh. Okay, we are finally ready in the car and about to head to church. Bashi, are you excited to go to church? You gonna play with your friends? He's been like pointing to the door, ready to go for the last probably 30 minutes. So yeah, we're on our way to church. We'll check in with you guys later. What are you doing? Did you have a good lunch? Bashi. Bashi. Did you have a good lunch? Whee! Cairo's at home. Want to go home and see Cairo? You're so cute. We are home from church and lunch, and Sebastian just went down for a nap, and we are gonna have what?
What just came out of Carol's nose?
Ew.
Look at that.
Ew. Hi, Cleo. Cleo. Anyways, we are going to watch Toy Story 4. I'm so excited. It just came out on Disney Plus, so shout out to Disney Plus. And yeah. We are gonna watch that, and we'll catch up with you guys later. This is probably the world's most boring vlog, but
Because you're boring.
that's so mean. We hear you. So
You said you're boring too.
stop being mean. So we took Sebastian's pacifier. We pretty much had gotten him on a schedule where he only used his passy like in his crib, but for some reason he woke up from his nap. Tell me about it. He woke up from his nap super grumpy, so we gave it to him, and because we're going to church and we know that 2 weeks ago when we went to our life group that he was super grumpy and was like really upset towards the end because of like the time that it is. It's like usually his second nap or third nap.
Extremely late.
Yeah, that's true too. But anyway, so my point of that is that he has a passy and he is pretty excited about it because he normally doesn't really have one. If we're just like going somewhere, it like just stays in his crib. So that's fun. But yeah, we're on our way to life group, and then I'm debating if we're gonna go to Walmart after because we need just like we have HelloFresh coming for like dinner, but we're kind of out of like lunch stuff.
Toothpaste.
Yeah, like toothpaste. I have like $0 to spend, but I know there's like some basic things we need to get, so we might do that. And if we do, I'll bring you guys along. I don't know. This whole vlog is just me talking and telling you what we're doing and not actually filming the activities. So I apologize if you even made it this far into the vlog.
Congratulations.
Give the video a thumbs up if you made it this far because I know this is so boring. But yeah, so we're on our way to life group, and I'm really, really excited because 2 weeks ago when we had our first class, we both... I'm gonna gonna use that as my thumbnail.
I got a thumbnail right here.
That was so funny. My point was 2 weeks ago when we went to our live group. Is it funny? We really enjoyed our life group class, so I'm really excited to see everybody again, and hopefully tonight is just as good as the first night. So yeah, we're gonna end this clip now. Do you need some spaghetti? Oh, well, okay. He got that, and now he's ready to keep going. Like,
Do you want to do some of these like mini?
you can. That was absolutely the funniest thing I've ever seen, child. You stop. Hey, Sebastian, can you grab those? Look, go get those. Go get the purple bag. Yeah, that's exactly the bag I wanted. Good job. Can you put it in the cart? No, don't pick that up.
Do you like cheddar sour?
Ew, no, I don't even like that kind at all. No, we don't. Oh, we're done? You're pushing it? Bye. Okay, so we are leaving Walmart and heading home after church, obviously. But I just have to tell you guys, the cutest thing happened. I couldn't even get it on video if I tried, because I even tried to get a little clip of us walking around. So Sebastian was like kind of grumpy when we picked him up from church. So I was like, whatever, we'll go to Walmart. I'll let him walk around. Let him walk around for minutes, and then I have to put him in the buggy because he wasn't going to listen. But he actually surprised me and was listening really well. And he was helping me push the buggy, so it was totally fine. I was like, whatever, as long as he's being good, I don't really care. He can walk around. So we go down the aisle with, what was on it? The SpaghettiOs and the applesauce. And I kid you not, the child stops the buggy, the SpaghettiOs are on the bottom shelf, walks over, grabs one jar of SpaghettiOs, goes to the buggy and like tries to put it in. Obviously he couldn't reach to put it in, but he had Zach pick him up and he put it in, and then he turned around, went back to the end and kept pushing as if like, okay, this is what we're getting, this is what we need. And it was absolutely the funniest, cutest thing I've ever seen. Like, he just did it on his own. Like, it was so cute. It was so cute. And then we kind of thought it was a whim. Like, I thought he was just gonna try and either grab everything or like he was just gonna do that one thing. But he was very specific, because then we passed the applesauce and he does the same thing. And it was so funny because it was clearly things that he wanted. So if this is a glimpse into our future of grocery shopping with a teenage boy, we're in for it, because I already have one boy that eats a lot, so we're in for it if Sebastian is the same way. But yeah, it was the cutest thing I've ever seen. But we're on our way home, and I'm probably gonna end this vlog now because I need to edit so they can be ready to post for tomorrow morning. So thank you so much for watching. Again, if you made it all the way through this vlog, you are a superhero, because this is such a boring vlog, but it's been a good weekend. We feel really rejuvenated from church. It was a really good small group, so ready to face the week. Valentine's Day is Friday, so not that we're doing anything fun or exciting, but it'll be fun. Maybe me and Sebastian will make like a fun treat or something this week at some point. We'll see. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and be sure if you're not subscribed to go ahead and subscribe and like this video, even though it was super boring, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.